everybody, this is Munmun Masi welcoming you to MMM School in the heart of Tamil Nadu, where learning comes to life through innovation, experience and purpose.
And I come bearing a good news that on June 14 we unveil our Center of Excellence, our 4 cutting-edge labs.
Our STEM lab, where science meets art and creativity sparks innovation. Our language lab, where confidence is built and global voices are shaped. Our automobile lab, where we offer hands-on exposure to mobility and mechanics. And our electric and electronic lab, where students explore systems and circuits come to life. At MM School, we don't just teach, we transform. Over here we build thinkers, makers and leaders for tomorrow, and I cannot wait to see you all here.